Welcome to Sci-Info Solution, the #1 brand into engineering project development and training since 2005 from Nasik and Pune in Maharashtra state of India. With worldwide project delivery for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, PhD in computer, IT, ENTC and instrumentation. We develop projects in all platforms like Java, .NET, Android, iOS, MATLAB, Embedded, IoT and many simulators. Kindly contact Mr. Santosh Gore on WhatsApp number +91 9096 813348.
Our project name is Embedded Based Object Matching and Robot Arm Control. In these projects, we are going to use Raspberry Pi, one servo motor. This servo motor is connected to this Raspberry Pi, and we are going to use this camera. And for detecting the objects, we are going to use these objects, that is circle, pentagon, triangle, and rectangle. For circle and triangles, our motor is move in anti-clockwise directions, and for pentagon and this rectangle, our motor is move in clockwise direction. So now I am going to run our project. So in initial conditions, when I run my project, so my motor is not moving in initial conditions because here is no object placed here. So now I am going to place circle here. So when I place circle here, then our motor is moving anti-clockwise direction. So you can see this. So circle is detected, and this in this console is also give message that is circle is detected. So now I am going to take other object. When I place rectangle, then motor is move in clockwise directions, and this gives the message that is rectangle is detected. This is the rectangle. And when I place the triangle, then our motor is also moves in anti-clockwise direction. This is the triangle is detected now. And when I place pentagon, then also our motor is move in clockwise direction. So now I am going to place pentagon. When I place this pentagon, then motor is move in clockwise directions, and this pentagon is also detected. So that's all.
If any updates or changes required to fulfill your requirement in project, please call us on 9096 813348. Features that makes us stand different from others: free online training session course material, platform training videos by corporate trainers, notes related to project topic and platform, thesis report, PPT making, paper making and guidance, online assistance for deployment, training certificate. Depending on your project topic, the costing will be decided accordingly. So what are you waiting for? Come on, call us now and get your project done. Be ahead in your class, score higher with extra certification in latest trends, explore more job opportunities. You can find more related project videos by visiting our website www.sciinfosolution.co.in. You can download IEEE papers from our website. By clicking on the drop-down list, various domains will be visible. Selecting the domain, you will be able to download the paper. By clicking on submit, we will be redirected to another page. By clicking on details, there will be two links, one to buy the project and another one will be to download the IEEE paper. By clicking on that link, you will be redirected to another page where you have to fill your credentials, and after submitting, you will be able to download the IEEE paper. If you want to implement your own paper, kindly contact us on sci.info2009@gmail.com. Our team will call you now. We also do provide an online chatting facility where if any queries are in mind, you can fire them and our experts will respond them as soon as possible. We also do have an YouTube channel which is named as SciInfo Solution, where you will find various domains project videos and they are free to view.